In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Google Sheets to Google Calendar. This process is quite simple and can save you a lot of time, especially if you regularly keep track of important dates or schedule events using these tools. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your Google Sheets. It's that familiar place where you organize all your data into neat columns and rows. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to do so with your Google account to access your documents. Now, once your Google Sheet is open, head over to the top menu and click on Extensions. This part of Google Sheets is a handy spot to find various add-ons that can extend the functionality of your sheets, and it's going to be key for this process. Next, in the drop-down menu, select Get Add-ons, which will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is where you'll find a world of tools to enhance your Google Sheets experience. What we're looking for today is an add-on called Sheets 2GCal. In the search bar, type Sheets 2GCal and press Enter. The results should bring up the Sheets 2GCal add-on. Install it by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions, as these are required for the add-on to communicate between Google Sheets and Google Calendar. Now that Sheets 2GCal is installed, it's time to put it to work. Return to the Extensions menu, and you should now see Sheets 2GCal listed there. Click on it to open a submenu. From here, click on Import Calendar to Sheet. This is where the magic happens. Your events from Google Calendar can populate into your Google Sheet, giving you a structured view of your upcoming schedule. You'll be prompted to confirm you want to proceed, so go ahead and click Yes. This action will trigger the data transfer from your Google Calendar into the sheet. Keep in mind that depending on the amount of data and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the import is complete, you'll see your calendar events neatly arranged within your Google Sheet. This makes it much easier to manage and analyze event data, especially if you're working on a project where dates are crucial. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your calendar data into Google Sheets using the Sheets 2GCal add-on. This easy, time-saving integration can significantly enhance how you organize and track events. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more tips on streamlining your digital life.